Hi, here is Mobile Computing Project 1 Final Submission. I'm RenruiLiu and my project is Overwatch Assistant. In these 5 weeks, I implement these features in my app. In total, it has 3 sections. And within these sections, there are many branches showing different heroes and maps and guides. By clicking image buttons, user can get into sections they want to see. At the same time, data will be sent and received in another activity. Therefore, I can use the data in switch method to display corresponding layouts. I use this approach in both hero and map sections, so in terms of coding, these two sections are similar. In guide section, I use list view and a web view to show web pages. At that time, I didn't know I should add internet permission in manifest, but now I know it. There are also some obstacles during the development. First one is the app runs slowly. By asking tutor, I find out the reason is it will use too much memory to resize the pictures to fit devices, so I create low DPI, middle DPI, and high DPI drawable folders. Then the app will use pictures from the specific folder rather than consume memory to resize them. Second is I provide only a screen of information, so I had to comment things down. But now I use the scroll view. Well, in Android Studio there is there is a layout called scroll layout, but in Xamarin its name is row view now. The third is most difficult problem for me, because when I began to build the hero and map section, it was all good. But when I'm finished, I suddenly cannot open the hero activity, and it's thrown a now exception. I spent many hours on it. I finally know that it is because I do not allow buttons in different layouts exist in the same activity. Otherwise, the find view by ID method can't find the button and throw the now exception. I solved this by dividing buttons to different activities, but the drawback of this is the number of activities increased. Well, to sum up, I learned many things during this period. I asked authors for using their works, images, and websites in my app, and they are kind and allow me to use. I also built fundamental knowledge about Xamarin Android. Actually, this is my first own design and developed Android application. I used many widgets and layouts and passed and received data with intent. And I used critical thinking and problem solving skills to debug. Now let's watch the demo of my application. Here is the recording in lab. As you can see, there are 3 sections, and click in hero section. There are different types of hero, and every hero has images and background and basic information and skills introduction. In here, I use several nesting and linear layout in scroll view. Well, it's the same in other types of hero, and the map section is similar to hero. It shows background and some tips. Yeah, see here. Yeah. Well, in guide section, there is a list view, and click it will jump to an activity displaying a web page. Here are some works from other authors' website. Thanks for watching.